Matapos ang controversial screenshot post ni Ellen Adarna tungkol sa pambababae ni Derek Ramsey. Isa-isa pa ring sinagot ni Ellen ang tanong ng kanyang mga followers sa Instagram. Ilan dito ay may kaugnayan sa babae ni Derek na tinawag ni Ellen na side chicks, pati na rin ang iba't ibang issue sa pagsasama nila na nauwi na nga sa hiwalayan. Panoorin ang full video.
He blames everything, everyone but himself. Yeah. He was able to convince his friends and people that it's my postpartum. There's also one. He's convinced that an ex-girlfriend made him kulam. Like, there's all of a sudden there was this bowl of salt with garlic in it, and me and my friends and helpers before, like, ano to? Like, bakit may ganyan? Ba't may salt? Bakit may bowl of salt with garlic? And then sinabi ng isang katulong, ay, pinalagay dyan kasi daw baka may nang kulam. So, parang pang-antay kulam. So, blame it on the kulam. Vexed, witchcraft. To be honest, I know, because during the relationship in the beginning, I was made to believe that this side chick was just a friend, and then that what I felt was not real, that I was just acting jealous or crazy. So when I found out about it 3 weeks ago, I felt validated, like, oh my god, justice, oh my god, it's real, oh my god, I was right all along. Imagine all these years I felt like parang, diba, parang I was gaslighted. So yeah, I was right, my intuition is right, and you know what, the truth, no matter what, comes out in so many ways. So there, lumabas din. Okay, nandito yun. Baka explain, may di ba? Hindi kapon? Huh? So anyway, paka-explain kung ano yan sa mga may alam ng mga white magic, black magic, whatever. Yang mabuang dun ko ito time. So dungan ani nga time sa toyo garlic sa garlic salt niya. Nato time nga gipa-blessing ang balay. So the next day siya dito yung nag-kick out. Kina-issue ang BPO. So insang evil spirit.
Siya.
Natawa na naman dito. Nagkatawa dun yung tanan-tanan. Halda. Susato po siya dito. Evil spirit kay gahapon, gapa-blessing na. Nagpabutang adtong asin o kuan. Huwag tangan siya kalit. No, that's not true. No one is battered. Well, according to my reliable sources, mga ex na that side chick has always been there, like decades na, nakailang girlfriends na si Derek, nandyan siya. So, friends daw, friends. Ako pa yung blinim ng mga netizens nung last real girlfriend ni Derek na ako daw yung third party, but no, it's not me. It could be her because hello, tagal na silang friends, right? And meron parang something side chick pala nito dati pa. So yeah, but I guess side chicks will always be side chicks. They'll never get chosen. You can just bitch about it, but I wouldn't be surprised if nandyan siya ngayon. Yeah, so, diba? That was 9 days, 10 days into the relationship. Yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that in our honeymoon stage. How much more? 3 months, 6 months, a year, God knows, right? Usually dahil yung mga babaero, if they find someone and nasa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways, maybe a month. But this is 9 days. So God knows ano pa yung iba, right? This is like, I am amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow. Hands down. Anak day. Duha. Pagkikibaw tulo. Da. Nakita mo ba yung post? I said I found out about it 3 weeks ago. Like this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin. So, there. As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to. I can get in trouble. Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah. I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there. Day Ellen, ikaw na ang pulutan diri. Day Ellen, ikaw ang pulutan diri. Okay lang yan, Day, kasi di man din maganda yung si bitch. Bitch daw siya, diba? So, kung bitch siya, mas bitch ako. Taro nga og basa or taro nga og recall kung magimaritas naman nang kakailangan pa dyan spoon feed. Review balik kung gusto dyan ka makibaw. Hell no! If I knew about this before we got married, no! Hell no! No, if you want it, take it. I should have said this before, but I found out just recently. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend anymore. And rain came pouring down when I was drowning. That's when I can finally breathe. And by morning, gone was any trace of you. I think I am finally clean. With JL Day, wala talaga akong masabi. I have nothing but good things to say about him, you know. I mean, we had our differences in the past, but I respect him because he is a very good provider. He is honest and he is a very present father. Like, take note, nung naghiwalay kami ni JL, that was before Elias turned 1 year old. Present siya. So, yun. Dai, about the Tia and Gaza thing, I never lied, I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied, never lied. I just made some comments about kung itong billionaire, nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Why? Diba? Ba't mo minamaliit? So if we're gonna talk about billionaire kanang vibes ka to si JL Day, mas nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. Diba? If you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time and he said none of it was true. Yeah, I'm still here because yes, my house is still being renovated and kailangan naman palayasin niya pag dito nandito yung anak niya sa akin, di ba? So yeah, it's going to be done soon and I can't wait to move out. No, I did not confront him about this. He just found out here. I'm sure if he saw this, he found out here. Never talked to him about it.
You gotta be kidding me. You're
I think the screenshots are enough. And if he still lies about it, oh my God. Ginaslight na nga ako. And don't tell me he's gonna gaslight the whole world. The screenshots are there, the receipts are there. Please. Pinabarangay ko siya dahil twice.
know that evidence just
No, you don't, because you shouldn't have looked at it.
Yeah, not once, but twice. Yeah, but we had an agreement that this was like months ago, maybe 3 months ago.
Take it down,
But we had an agreement that he won't come back until I move into my new place.
Hey,
Total, I'm gonna be gone forever. So
Helen, what are you
just
doing?
give me
you're supposed
until
to
my
call
place
2
is
hours ago,
done.
you didn't call.
And there.
What's going on?
He was sent an invite, okay? He chose not to go. He was playing frisbee or golf somewhere. Yeah, so important, right? Yeah. So there, he was sent an invite, and
Things that I'd rather not have.
just 2 of his family went. His sister
I got him to say he would do his
and
best. I'm
his
sorry to
nephew.
He did his best, all right. He
That's it.
humiliated my client and ruined my reputation all in one shot.
He had a choice. We all have a choice. No one put a gun in his head and told him not to go.
It ended up biting me in the
Yeah.
ass.
Kasi mag-ingon. Oh my God, yung ayong orasa. Seryoso ka. Oh my God, tipok adlaw to na ngaon. Shit, di ba na? Okay lang. Kadimad.